Hello, good morning to all of you. Once again I am here to teach you computer. Now students, take out your book and a pencil in your hand so that we can underline the important things. So take out page number 28. In the yesterday's video we have completed this changing font size. Now we will be seeing changing font color. And one thing I forgot, that this quick fact, this quick fact you have to learn. In every chapter quick fact is given, or maybe on some pages also, so that you have to learn. Got it? Now today we will be starting with the changing font color. We change the color of the text to make it more attractive. The steps to change the font color are, now what we do is, changing font color means we can change the color of the text to make it attractive. So if a question arises, why changing font color is used, your answer will be that to make the text look more attractive. So there are again few steps to how to change the font color. First, select the text and click on the home tab. Now for what you will do, you will select and you will click on home tab. This home tab. Can you see this? Then second step, click on the drop down arrow next to font color on the home tab. Now what you will do is, when you will click on this, the home tab font color will be there. A drop down menu of font color will be there. Third step, select the desired color from the displayed font color. Now what you will do is, when you will click on this, you will see here. Can you see this A? This is how to change the font color. So when you will click on this drop down arrow or drop down menu, this window will be opened for you. Can you see this window? This window with all the colors are there. If you can choose it from here, the dark, the light, all. But if you want more colors, you can see here more colors and you can pick the more color option and choose any color of your choice. Select the desired color from the displayed font color menu. From here you will select. How you will select? With the help of mouse. You will just select and click OK on it. And then your desired text will look like this. If you have chose different color, you want different colors, you can have different colors also. Or you want the same color, you can put same color also. For if you want D to be different, I to be in different color, F to be in different color, what you have to do? You have to select single letter. But if you want to select the whole line or the whole word, then you will select the whole word. Whatever you will be selecting, the color will be according to that only. Got it? So this is figure 3.9, changing the font color. I hope some of you have done this also. Now come to the next topic, that is highlighting text, bold, italic, underline. From the topic only you will be understanding how to highlight the text. There are three kinds of text to highlight it. Either it can be bold, it can be italic, or it can be underlined. So let us go through it. We can make the text stand out by making the text appear in bold, italics, or underline. Now what we can make, in three types we can do it. The text can appear in bold, italics, and underline, or a combination. The following table shows some commonly used font style and effects. Now there is one table given on page number 29. Just see, so you will be understand that what is bold, italic, and underline. So come on the next page. Can you see this page? Now here is the table given. First column is for font style, second the description, and the third is how it appears. Regular means the normal one, text appears normal. This is normally written. Bold, text appears darker than the rest of the text. Can you see the difference between regular and the bold one? Then see the italic one. Text appear slanted to the right. Now it will be little bit slanted in the right side like this. So this one. Underline. Underline, obviously it is telling you that it will be underlined. Text appear underlined, that is with a line under it. This is the word and you will get this word with a underline one. Okay. So this is the one. Up now, how to put in the things. Before putting, I will tell you these are the quick key combinations. Control plus B is bold. If you know the shortcuts, it will be very easier for you. So just you have to learn the shortcuts. Control plus I is for italic. Control plus U is for underline. Then there are few steps to follow the bold, italic and underline. To make the text bold, italic or underline, we follow the steps shown. First, select the relevant text. Whatever you want to do, first of all, the first main thing is to select the text. Click on bold to make it bold. Click on I to make it italic, text italic. Click on U to make it underline the text. Now I can show you here. Come on page number 28, figure 3.9. Can you see this? B, I and U. First of all, what you will do? You will select the word. Hope you have, for example, you selected this the. Now after selecting, you will click on this. It will convert into the bold letter, the bold text. If you want to be selected as italic, then you can select first of all 2 and click on I. Then here it is saw. Saw, click on it, select it and then click on underline and it will be done for you. So this is very simple. Please try it at your home. So in today's topic, we have covered changing the font color and second is highlighting text. So please practice at your home. In the next video, I will be doing with the next topic. So till then, have a pleasant day.